Guys, so Angelina and I are here at Trader Joe's. We're getting ready to do a little bit of shopping today. When I get home, I'm going to be sure to show you guys my haul. Let me let Angelina say hello. Hey. Yeah. All right, everybody, I am back from Trader Joe's, and I don't have as much as I thought I did, but it's a nice little haul. It's a nice little it's a nice little haul. So let me just go ahead and share with you everything that I got today. So let me start over here on this side. These are some of the produce items that I got. I'll start here in the back. I got some baby bok choy. I didn't know they had the bok choy in the bag like this. I was so happy to see it. It's washed and ready to use. I still wash mine anyway, just because it's a habit and I like to do that. So I got the baby bok choy. That's mostly for Angelina. I'll use it when I need it, but she loves to make ramen. We got some organic kiwi. It's a nice little bag, and that was really priced well too. All of these items are priced really well. I got some fresh zucchini squash right here for a recipe that I'm going to be trying, a casserole. I don't know if it'll be on my channel, but we'll see. I may be putting that in a casserole soon. One is going to definitely go in a casserole. Another is going to go for some vegetable wraps that I'm going to be making. I also got a red and green bell pepper that I need for a particular recipe, and some jalapenos. Need those for recipes, plus Angelina likes to eat those with cream cheese and Takis, believe it or not. It's like a thing. I don't know. Weird. I got a couple of shallots that I'm going to be needing, and I got a cucumber I'm going to be needing because I will be making on my channel some cucumber kimchi, okay? I thought that was really interesting, and I can't wait to share that with you all. All right, also, I got some cheese wraps. Now, these are the Parmesan cheese wraps. I've never gotten the Parmesan before, but I had a really great idea for them, so I cannot wait to share this idea with you. It will be on my channel coming up here really soon, possibly this week. I got me some coconut aminos. I am out of that. I've been out of it for a while, and I just keep forgetting to pick some up. But coconut aminos. This is some dipping sauce for Angelina that she got to go with some dumplings that we have here in our haul. So you'll be seeing that a little bit later. But that's mostly for Angelina. Got me some coconut milk that I'm going to be using as well. This is to go into some smoothies that I'll be having later this week. Got some of these crackers too. These are really good crackers. Angelina enjoys them, and I do enjoy a cracker from time to time. I love these. They're so yummy. Also got this this package with a variety of meats. It has the chorizo, the salami, prosciutto in there. So I'm going to be trying that with the same recipe that I was telling you all. I cannot wait to share with you all. It's going to include this too. I got some hash browns. Angelina loves hash browns with cheese and all the good stuff in the morning. So I got some of that for her, and possibly my husband, who may eat some too. I thought that this was really interesting. The spicy Mexican style riced cauliflower. You all, it looks so yummy. It has tomatoes, bell peppers, and jalapenos in there. So I'm definitely going to give that a try and let you all know what I think about it. If you have tried this already, please leave a comment below and tell me what you thought about it. But yeah, I cannot wait to pair this up with something really great within the next week or so. Also got these pork and ginger soup dumplings. This is for Angelina. She's going to be, that's why I got this sauce for her, or she picked out this sauce because she's going to be dipping her dumplings in the sauce. So she got a pork and ginger soup dumpling, and then she got a chicken soup dumpling as well. So those are for her. She loves those. I got some more fresh mushrooms that are going to go into a recipe that I'm going to be using here. Also got a spaghetti squash. You all, I love that Trader Joe's has these baby size spaghetti squash. Whenever I get them from a grocery store like Whole Foods or Kroger, they're always really, really big. And Angelina will have some every once in a while. My husband doesn't like them, but I love them. But it's always just so much. Well, they have these little baby ones. So this is more of my size. So I can eat on this at least 2 or 3 times. And it'll be perfect as opposed to the big, huge ones. So I was happy to see the little baby squash. I got some Jicama Wraps. I've been seeing these around. I've been wanting to try them. So I'm happy to give these a try. And of course, I will do a video where I'll be trying these in a recipe. So hopefully something really good that I like and I can pass along to you guys. So excited to give these a try, the Jicama Wraps. Got some fresh basil. I'm going to be making some fresh basil pesto, and I saw these, and you all, these smell so good, but look at how beautiful these leaves are. Look at those basil leaves. So unfortunately, they did not have any pine nuts, and that's really what I was hoping to get today. I have a really good olive oil. I just need some pine nuts, but they did not have any, so I'm going to have to stop maybe a little later this week and get some pine nuts to make my fresh basil. And that's one reason, is to go with my vegetable wraps that I love so much. And then the last thing I got here is some pineapple. I love fresh pineapple, and it's time for some fresh pineapple. Trader Joe's actually had quite a few pineapples, so I got this one right here, and I'm going to be cutting that up and putting it in the refrigerator here in just a little bit. So I'll let you guys see me do that process. But that is it. This is my little haul from Trader Joe's. Lots of goodies, and the total came to like $53. Really good price for all of this stuff. I love Trader Joe prices. So yeah, that is it for my Trader Joe haul. Now I'm getting ready to put up all of these items and cut up some pineapple. So I'll show you guys how I do that. All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and first cut up this lettuce that I got, my husband got for me yesterday. Go ahead and chop it up so that it'll be ready for sandwiches and salads. So what I usually do is I'll take the first layer of leaves off, because most of the time they're really soft and I don't really want to do much with those. And then you see the core right here. Now I learned this when I was a kid and I worked at a restaurant. I hope it works now that I'm trying to show it to you guys. You hit it on the bottom of the dill, whatever it is that you have, just like that. And after hitting it a few times, you're supposed to just be able to pull the core out, which it did. It worked just well. And then the whole little core comes out, okay? Just like that. All right, then these little brown parts, I'm just gonna shave that off, because I don't like brown lettuce. Certainly don't like brown lettuce in my salad. Ooh, I can't stand it. All right, so now we go ahead and start chopping. So next I am going to use this bag. This is a regular storage bag, you guys. I did not realize I am out of my Ziploc bags. So for now, I'm going to use this clear storage bag. It's not a Ziploc, but it will do. So I've got me some paper towel down at the bottom. So if there's any additional moisture, which I know there is, that I did not get out of the lettuce, it will be absorbed by the paper towels, okay? So I found that when I do my lettuce this way, it keeps so much longer, and I really appreciate that. So with clean hands, go on in and after you've washed your lettuce, just go on in and sit it on in here, right on top of the paper towel there. And even when I store it in the refrigerator, I'll put it in just like this, so that the moisture will always continue to go to the bottom where the paper towel is, okay? Just makes it a lot easier, and it helps you just keep, you know, again, your lettuce fresher longer. So I have my bag in here again. Didn't realize I was out of my Ziploc bag, so I'm gonna store it in this regular storage bag, and make sure I go pick up some Ziploc bags tomorrow, and I'll just transfer it over to the Ziploc bag. The Ziploc bag, it just helps to keep it airtight. All right, so now I'm gonna tie this up so I can get to a Ziploc bag. And this will make do in the morning, this will make do for tomorrow. So I've got the process of washing and cleaning this out of the way and getting it stored and on the road to freshness, okay? So now let's cut up the pineapple. Before you start cutting your pineapple, you want to make sure you have a really, really sharp knife. So that's what I was doing there, sharpening my knife. And you want to start out by cutting off the top. You can actually use that top piece for decoration if you're like doing a fruit tray or something. It's really pretty. And then you cut off the bottom portion. That way you have a flat surface to work with. I then cut my pineapple down the middle, and then taking one side, I begin taking off the side, the outer layer of the pineapple, of course, that prickly part. So you want to make sure you get all of that out. So once you cut off that part right there, we're going to cut it in half again, and we're going to take out the core, that core right there. That's the hard part, the part you don't want to eat. And I always do that. I'm just showing you that it is the hard part, and you don't want to eat it. That part right there, this is the good fleshy part. So we get that part, cut it down the middle again, and cut it in half. So again, we cut out the core right here, and then we cut that down the middle, and then we cut it in little chunks. And there you have it. Quick and simple, and yeah, that's the perfect way to cut up some pineapple. So if any of you have any other ways that you cut up your pineapple that's quick and easy, let me know in the comments below. All right, everybody, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys for joining me again. It is my prayer that you and your family have a blessed and prosperous day. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.